Hey guys, and welcome back to our another unboxing video. So for today's video, mag-unbox tayo ng Ziga Romantic Greetings.
And it actually stick together.
Yeah, with Sky. So, huwag na natin patagalin guys. At buksan na natin
Don't
siya, no?
forget my bottle.
Okay. So, ito
We
guys.
can actually guard it.
Ito guys, ito yung itsura ng harap niya. So, most probably, yan din yung itsura ng lalabas sa loob. It's okay. So, ito po ay yung box niya. Ayan, mapapansin nyo, medyo madumi-dumi yung gilid niya.
Take lang. I just kinda want to my hands.
Okay, it's okay. You don't have to remove it. Tignan nyo guys, medyo mahirap siyang buksan. Ayan. So, ito yung itsura niya guys sa harap.
Secret phone.
Secret foam. Ayan, tinanggal niyo na daw ang secret foam. At, ayun, ang ganda ng bubungan sa inyo. Wow! Nice card! Ito talaga yung binayaran natin dito eh. Yung card, at ito yung itsura sa harap, at ito yung itsura sa likod. Of course. Ayan, dalawang damit. Si Chow An at saka si Wan An. Yan.
There's some dress here, guys, and 2 Zigas.
Two Zigas.
But they don't have
Uy!
the same eyes.
Ayan, ayan. Pero
And
bago
not
to
a
ha.
secret phone.
Ayan no.
And
Kaya pala mahal.
Actually, see,
Kaya pala ba?
they actually
Kasi-
have the same eyes and the same glove.
Yeah, usually binabaon lang nila to sa foam, guys.
But not the same clothes.
Pero dahil ngayon, medyo kakaiba siya.
Their clothes
Teka lang.
on the hanger.
Oh! Now I get it. So ito muna, yung kanyang secret plastic.
Yeah, secret plastic.
Yeah.
Can you give me phone?
Ang maganda-ganda ng Ziga na to.
Can you give me
Ito.
the phone?
Tika.
Can you give me the phone?
Uy!
You can actually touch the hair, but
Yeah.
not too much. You might hurt your
So ito muna tayo sa figure, guys. Ito yung itsura ng loob niya.
Papa, can you give me the secret phone?
No? I gotta show it to them first. So, yung quality niya, guys, ay kapares lang rin nung
It's heavy.
yeah, it's heavy.
And it actually has a clip here and pink hair. I did not know they're the same hair, but this one is white and this one is pink.
You know? So, pero muna si Papa ha.
Yeah, we just have the same.
Titingnan ko lang guys yung pinagkaiba ng malaki at saka maliit.
Yeah. we
Walang
just have
pinagkaiba.
We have the same.
It's the same.
Yeah, but
Medyo yung-
it's not the same size.
Yeah, it's not the same size. Pero guys, ito,
But
Parang
we
mas
just,
glitter yung maliit.
but it's on a different way because
mas ano?
Parang
this
mag-glitter.
one is here. We
Mag-glitter.
have the
Glossy.
same thing.
Pero ito guys, mapapansin nyo
We got
dito,
another.
parang iba yung texture na itong isa
Wait guys, again.
versus dun sa malaki. Ito kasi ayan, mapapansin nyo yung sa ulo niya na,
Mag-glitter yung isa.
yeah, parang iba yung pagkakakulay nung nasa maliit versus dun sa bigger size niya. Pagdating naman sa likod, ayan,
For me, I just have
halos pares lang talaga, ayan. Wala namang something nakakaiba dito, hindi yun pa rin. Yung nasa baba. I don't know.
Let's
So
see.
ito yung itsura nila. So, pwede nyo isabit, ayan. Nahahawakan naman sa mismong ano, wag lang ano, baka mabigat, baka masira.
If I get witchy.
You get witchy.
This one is my
Napansin
toy,
ko dito sa
diba?
isa parang
Is this my toy?
iba talaga siya. Yeah, it's your toy.
I got another toy.
Yeah. Hindi ko alam kung Pop Mart channel ba to o Sky channel to. So yan siya guys.
Can you hold
Ang ganda.
this one? Wait, take a
Mas pinalaki lang. Yan.
Papa, can you hold this?
No, no Sky. It might fall down eh.
This is mine.
Yeah, I know.
You can pull it. Pull it. Try to pull it.
Okay guys, so ito yung itsura guys ng ating Ziga Romantic Greetings. Ito
I
yung
got a dragon like
200%,
I
200 ba
got
to?
a
300.
dragon like
200, ito yung 100%
This box?
guys. Gusto nyo guys ang ating unboxing video. Huwag nyo kalimutan mag-like, subscribe at mag-share ng ating YouTube channel. Muling nagbabalik. Bye-bye!
bye.
Yun!
Yun.
Ziga Ziga! Say Ziga Ziga! Bye!
We're gonna have another.